Top 10. Customer Support Triage and Resolution Agents. Modern AI-driven support agents promise to revolutionize customer service by automating triage, deflection, and even executing actions in your CRM. In practice, they aim to answer frequent queries instantly and route only the rest to humans. Recent analysis finds that modern AI support platforms resolve 60 to 80% of Tier 1 tickets without a human agent. The best tools don't just regurgitate FAQs, they draw on your entire knowledge base and ticket history to generate informed answers. In this article, we outline key capabilities: intent routing, deflection, macros, CRM actions, knowledge retrieval, escalation logic, etc. Compare performance metrics, FCR, CSAT, handle time, containment, and review how the leading AI agents stack up. We also discuss critical safeguards, refund credit policies, multilingual support, and action audit logs. Key capabilities of AI support agents: intent routing and triage. The first step is classifying incoming requests and routing them to the right resource. Top AI tools embed intelligent ticket triage directly in help desks or as front-end layers. For example, Zendesk's intelligent triage automatically tags and assigns tickets, while Salesforce's Einstein case classification identifies issue type on incoming cases. Redbrick Labs notes that the best triage tools can classify messy customer requests, route them to the right owner, preserve context, and make exceptions visible before support quality breaks. In practice, a strong AI triage engine will read the query, detect language intent, pull any CRM context, account status, priority, and then assign or escalate appropriately. Many platforms train on historical ticket data so that over 90 days you see the top issue types. Analyzing your ticket log often reveals that approximately 50 common queries make up half the volume, ideal candidates for automation. Today's tools fall into a few categories: help desk-built agents, Zendesk AI, Freshdesk Freddy, HubSpot AI, Salesforce Einstein, which work natively in a platform, integrated bots, Intercom Fin, customer AI that plug into CRMs or inboxes, and industry-specific systems, Gorgeous for e-commerce, DevRev, or Jira Service Desk for engineering. If you already use a suite like Zendesk or HubSpot, their AI modules can be easiest to deploy. For example, Redbrick Labs advises, if your team already runs on Zendesk, start by evaluating Zendesk Intelligent Triage and Copilot. But pure-play bots, Intercom Fin, Ada, Customer route across channels and even between different systems. The true test of a triage engine is how well it avoids misroutes. A good agent will not only assign a ticket, but also flag anomalies, VIP customers, language mismatches, duplicate reports for special handling. Knowledge retrieval and deflection. Once intent is identified, the AI must find or generate an answer. Modern agents use retrieval augmented generation, RAG. They search documents, wikis, and past tickets, often via semantic or vector search, then frame a natural language answer. For example, Zendesk describes an AI-powered knowledge graph that unifies content across third-party sources and optimizes content automatically based on recent conversations. In other words, the system continually refreshes its knowledge base with new articles and feedback loops from solved tickets. The goal is deflection, resolving issues without human help. Vendors claim high deflection rates, but definitions vary. One analysis warns that not all deflection is equal, because platforms measure differently. Conversation closed versus no human handoff versus customer confirmed resolved can differ by 20 percentage points. In practice, the most rigorous metric is customer verified resolution. Top agents advertise that level. For instance, Ada's publicized resolution rate is over 70%. Intercom Fin, around 50 to 60%. And even simple bots may hit 40 to 60% deflection. See the table below. Resolution pipeline. The leading platforms demonstrate a complete resolution flow: read and classify the question, search the knowledge base, pull user account context, generate a direct personalized response, and then confirm resolution or escalate if confidence is low. If an agent can't explain each step of this flow, it risks misrouting the ticket. For example, one case study by Vimeo reported that after AI deployment, they saw 30 to 40% automation rate and 20% increase in self-service score, reflecting faster answers and happier customers. Macro generation and agent assist. Even when a human agent must step in, these AI systems can speed up the response. Many platforms include AI-assisted macros or suggested replies. Zendesk's AI Copilot, for instance, not only triages, but also automatically suggests macros and draft replies based on ticket content. In fact, Found on AI notes that Agent Copilot meaningfully reduces handle time on complex tickets. In practice, an AI support agent will propose templated answers and relevant help articles to the human, or even auto-populate ticket fields. This hybrid approach retains agent oversight, but slashes composition time. Similarly, Tidio and Crisp all-in-one desks provide plug-in widgets where agents can pick AI-generated blocks or use smart summaries of the conversation. With good integration, the AI can insert data, order info, appointment times into replies too. Action execution and CRM integration. A key advantage of these triage and resolution agents is repository integration, the ability to perform actions such as updating CRM records, issuing refunds, or scheduling callbacks. For example, Intercom's Fin is designed to work with Intercom or your existing help desk, Salesforce, HubSpot, etc., and it is built to disambiguate queries, take action, and follow your policies. Zendesk Copilot similarly can take action autonomously based on agent or admin settings, e.g., closing tickets, escalating priority, applying tags or macros. The best systems connect to order and billing systems via API. For instance, an agent might verify an order number and then trigger a reorder or refund without leaving the chat window. This end-to-end integration means customers get one-stop service and agents avoid repetitive CRM updates. However, depth varies. Some tools only inform the agent of needed actions, while others let the AI invoke them directly. Found on AI points out that customers' AI leverages unmatched CRM context depth across the full customer timeline, enabling very personalized actions, e.g. cross-selling or retention offers. By contrast, lightweight chatbots might only provide links or instructions. Action executing AI, sometimes called AI for support rather than just chat, is still emerging, but solutions like Finey or Tactful boast action execution governed by rules, where the AI can actually complete tasks in connected systems. Retrieval pipelines and knowledge freshness. Underlying all of the above is the system's knowledge pipeline. Early bots were static FAQ retrievers, but modern agents use ever-fresher data. They ingest help center articles, product documentation, past tickets, and even website content. Leading solutions offer connectors to common sources, Zendesk Knowledge Base, Confluence, Google Drive, etc., and then perform semantic search. For example, Zendesk's AI mentions it continuously learns from real interactions, so resolution quality compounds, implying an ongoing learning loop. Some platforms also support vector databases or real-time RAG pipelines. In practice, you want the agent to consider the latest policy documents or product updates. If your support content is out of date, many AI systems let you retrain or fine-tune on new documents quickly. In the Found on AI study, every tool's performance depended heavily on KB quality. A stale or incomplete knowledge base will constrain any AI. On the positive side, many solutions now allow periodic re-indexing of documents, or even dynamic chat generation with API lookups. Regardless, it is essential to sync knowledge sources often. Missing in most current tools is automated discovery of new info, apart from what you upload, so businesses must still supply fresh content regularly. Escalation sensitivity and exceptions. No AI agent is perfect. A hallmark of a mature system is knowing when to escalate to a human. This typically involves low confidence flags, unhappy sentiment, or complex exceptions. For example, in refund cases, which we discuss below, AI should only handle straightforward, policy-compliant refunds and route any unusual cases, late returns, high-value orders, abuse flags, to human queues. One guide advises using conditional escalation paths so that different exception types go to the appropriate team: logistics, finance, retention. Good agents also monitor ongoing conversation health. If the customer indicates dissatisfaction or confusion, the bot can apologize and smoothly hand off. In practice, platforms often let you set escalation keywords or confidence thresholds. They may also integrate surge analytics, e.g. wait time spikes, to recruit backup. The rest of this article benchmarks these behaviors in context of overall performance. Performance metrics and benchmarks. Effective support agents are measured by key metrics. First contact resolution, FCR, is often goal 1, resolving issues on the first interaction. High deflection rates from AI translate into high FCR on automated queries. Found on AI reported deflection claims for top tools in a comparison table, e.g. Ada, roughly 70% plus, Intercom Fin, roughly 51% average, Freshdesk Freddy, roughly 40 to 60%. These claims align with the idea that AI can solve most Tier 1 issues. However, as noted, only customer-confirmed resolutions count truly. Even at 50 to 70% deflection, those tickets drop out of the manual queue, boosting overall FCR. Customer satisfaction CSAT is trickier. Ideally, quicker answers mean happier customers. The same Vimeo case study, Zendesk AI, reported a 20% increase in their self-service CSAT after automation. In general, consistent 24/7 service and accurate answers raise CSAT, but errors or uncanny answers can hurt it. That's why we stress auditability and guardrails to prevent bots from hallucinating or promising refunds dodgily. Automated sentiment analysis. Some platforms offer AI CSAT scoring, can also feed back into the tool. Handle time. Average time spent per customer usually drops with AI assistance. Agents need fewer words when the AI pre-populates the answer. For complex tickets handled by humans, Zendesk highlighted that their agent copilot meaningfully reduces handle time on complex tickets. In practice, the handle time metric is improved by both deflection, fewer tickets, and assistant tools, faster replies on assisted tickets. Containment or escalation metrics measure how often the AI keeps issues within the initial workflow. Ideally, a high-quality agent will either resolve or correctly escalate on first pass. The Found on AI guide outlines an ideal pipeline: classify, retrieve, generate, confirm, escalate. Following that flow minimizes the dreaded left-on-read effect. If the customer's issue remains unresolved or gets bounced around, containment is low. In our evaluation of vendors, we prioritize solutions that programmatically check for understanding and provide a clear "your issue is solved" or "being escalated" signal to maximize true containment. Safeguards, refunds, escalation, and audit. Policy-driven refunds and credits. Handling refunds and credits is a litmus test for safety. A poor bot might empty store credit accounts or approve unwarranted reimbursement. Leading platforms isolate these high-risk transactions with strict rules. Rather than fully automate all refunds, they use selective automation. Straightforward, policy-compliant refunds, e.g. within return window for standard products, can be granted by the AI instantly. Any gray area request is flagged. Finney Labs emphasizes this pattern. Platforms that get this right cut refund handling cost by 60 to 80% without introducing chargeback or compliance risk. In other words, smart refund bots handle simple cases but always send exceptions to humans. Under the hood, the AI must understand complex policy logic, purchase dates, taxes, payment methods, etc. So the agent often retrieves transaction data, order history, payment status before deciding. Importantly, every automated refund decision must be logged and reviewable. As one governance guide notes, every refund decision should be logged with reasoning, approver identity, and policy reference. This audit trail ensures any chargebacks or disputes can be defended. High-end solutions even redact sensitive data at the model boundary, PII shield, and attach a full reasoning trace to each action. For a business, this means the AI can suggest refund $30, and the ticket log will show exactly which policy lines justified it. Escalation strategy. Beyond refunds, all anomaly cases need similar guardrails. The agent should recognize when a ticket falls outside normal patterns, serious security issue, compliance question, VIP client, and escalate immediately. Good platforms let you script conditional escalation paths. For example, billing disputes always to the finance team, technical bug reports to engineers, etc. Rather than a blunt send-to-human link, the AI provides full context to the receiving queue. This sensitivity is crucial because one mistaken case, a multi-step problem the AI didn't actually solve, can hurt satisfaction and costs. As Finney Labs advises, a bot should flag exceptions to the correct queue. Otherwise, single queue handoffs defeat the purpose. In practice, many solutions allow custom escalation triggers by confidence score or sentiment. Some even integrate predictive signals, for example, flagging chats that match historical chargeback intent patterns. The end result should be that complex or borderline requests never get wrongly closed by the AI. Auditability and compliance. Finally, auditability is non-negotiable for empowered AI actions. Every automated act, refund, data update, ticket closing, should be traceable. As mentioned, top vendors embed audit logs and role-based controls. For example, Ada advertises full compliance features, SSO, RBAC, audit logs, encryption, even on agentic actions. Intercom notes that Fin follows your policies and includes admin controls. Many solutions comply with SOC 2, ISO 27001, and GDPR, which underscores their logging. In best cases, each decision is time-stamped with the exact reasoning. One platform's PII Shield even attaches a policy citation, a confidence score, and a full reasoning trace to every action, meeting audit requirements of payment processors. When choosing a vendor, ask for proof of these features, current audit reports, PCI DSS mentions for billing agents, etc. Overall, the golden rule is, you lead, AI follows your rules. The AI should never override policy, only apply it. With governed actions, the bot becomes a reliable assistant rather than an entropy generator in the support process. Multilingual support. Global businesses must serve customers in many languages. Most modern chat agents advertise multi-language capabilities. For instance, Intercom Fin explicitly works across multiple languages and channels. Ada, known for its international focus, supports dozens of languages in chat, email, and even voice. Their docs list over 90 languages with varying levels of support, real-time translation, detection, etc. In practice, an AI agent will auto-detect customer language and switch seamlessly, or on fallback translate content from English articles. Some tools use built-in LLM translators, e.g. Google Translate or internal models to reply fluently. To evaluate a tool's language prowess, test it in your top 3 to 5 customer languages. Check if knowledge articles get properly pulled and answers generated in that language, and whether scripted macros exist in local idiom. The best agents even support right-to-left scripts UI and home language intelligence, detecting slang, idioms. If your business spans regions, multilanguage support on day one is a must. It's a significant advantage of SaaS AI over more limited legacy bots. Leading AI triage and resolution platforms. The market has many entrants. Here are 10 notable ones with key strengths and considerations. Intercom Fin, a purpose-built customer agent that integrates with Intercom or other help desks. Fin touts 76% plus query resolution on average and excels at complex regulated use cases, finance, SaaS. Its strengths are deep context and multilingual fluency. It can execute actions, update tickets, issue refunds under policy rules. Update. In benchmarks, Fin shows high Tier 1 deflection, 51% average, and swaps between conversational roles. Support, sales, e-commerce, contextually. Drawbacks, it only works within Intercom or a handful of CRMs, and pricing is enterprise level. Zendesk AI, a suite of AI features across Zendesk Suite, includes intelligent triage and agent copilot. Its triage can auto-classify tickets, but where Zendesk AI really shines is agent assist. The copilot suggests macros and helps solve multi-step tickets, often slashing handle time. Since it's native to Zendesk, it integrates flawlessly with your existing knowledge base and macros. Deflection rates are moderate, roughly 20 to 30% on its own, but agent efficiency gains are high. It continuously learns from solved tickets, a resolution learning loop. Best for large support teams already on Zendesk. Ada, an enterprise-grade chatbot that lives outside your help desk. Ada hooks into CRMs and KBs, providing a conversational interface everywhere. Web, in-app messaging. It's known for very high self-service rates. Published case studies, Zoom, BlueJeans, show 70% plus issue automation. Ada supports end-to-end contextual dialogues, using both structured flows and LLM answers, robust policy logic, and bidirectional integrations, Salesforce, Zendesk, Shopify, etc. It also handles multi-language chats out of the box. The trade-off is a multi-week rollout and premium pricing. In our benchmarks, Ada consistently topped deflection metrics, quoted 70% plus, but requires close maintenance of knowledge and design flows. Freshdesk Freddy AI, Freshworks built-in agent. Freddy is easy to deploy if you use Freshdesk. It plugs into your support portal and CRM. It offers auto-tagging of tickets, similar issues, suggested answers from KB, and basic workflows. In practice, Freddy can deliver roughly 40 to 60% deflection once tuned. It's fast to launch for Freshdesk customers with existing FAQ content. However, its multi-step capabilities are limited. It may struggle with complex workflows that need API calls. If your team is already on Freshdesk and wants incremental automation without a new vendor, Freddy is solid. Its SDK also allows custom action bots in tools like Slack or WhatsApp. Tidio, Lyro AI, a popular choice for e-commerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and small teams. The Lyro AI assistant in Tidio answers chat queries, can pull order info, and recovers carts. Setup is fast. Tidio offers the quickest go-live of any we've seen, and pricing starts very low, usage cost per conversation. Deflection claims up to 97% are promising for FAQ-driven shops. Limitations: it's mainly chat web-focused, not voice, and integration beyond common e-com flows is weaker. Tidio works best for stores that need a friendly shopping assistant 24/7. HubSpot Breeze, Service Hub AI. HubSpot's new 24/7 AI agent, Breeze, comes bundled for Service Hub Professional Enterprise. It uses your CRM data to surface answers, account info, support history, and can log outcomes back to the ticket. Since it runs on HubSpot, it automatically uses your Hub knowledge base. We see lower published deflection benchmarks still being collected, but the key benefit is context. Every interaction already knows the customer record. Breeze is a bonus for HubSpot customers. It adds AI without vendor switching. The drawbacks are obvious. If you don't use HubSpot CRM, it's not a fit, and currently its deflection is less proven than standalone bots. Salesforce Einstein, Service Cloud. Salesforce has had AI case classification and Einstein reply suggestions for years. The latest Einstein bots, powered by GPT-based models, can triage chats and answer FAQs in Service Cloud. Einstein excels at using Salesforce data to personalize responses, e.g. opportunity status, renewal date. It also offers Einstein case classification to route tickets based on predicted reason. In benchmarks, Salesforce's Agent Assist features improve agent productivity significantly, though pure deflection rates are in the 20 to 30% range. If your support is heavily tied to Salesforce data, Einstein Copilot in Service Cloud is worth evaluating. It plays well with your email, chat, and knowledge base on that platform. Drift SalesLoft. Drift's AI is oriented toward live chat and sales conversations. Recently integrated with SalesLoft, it's strong at lead qualification and chat handoffs. On the support side, it can answer common questions and route tickets. Drift's differentiator is CRM Sync. It ties chats to Salesforce HubSpot and can update contact records automatically. It also shines in multilingual chat. However, its support-oriented deflection isn't class-leading, it's more sales-focused, so it often works best when human agents handle the bulk. In benchmarks, it shows lower automated resolution numbers. It's better thought of as a hybrid chat platform with AI components. Good for fast-growing PLG companies that need unified sales support chat flows. Help Scout AI. Help Scout is a shared inbox help desk, and it introduced an AI assistant. If you're a small to mid-sized team using Help Scout, the built-in AI will summarize incoming emails, suggest responses, and auto-tag. Its immediate advantage is zero setup. It lives right in your shared inbox and costs nothing extra. That said, it's not built for high-volume autonomous deflection. Found on AI calls it not the right tool for teams optimizing for deflection volume. In practice, Help Scout AI is great for agent assist, faster replies for small teams, AnswerBot on web or email, but it won't replace knowledge-base-driven chat the way Ada or Fin can. Customer AI. Customer, recently spun out of Facebook, is a CRM plus help desk in one, and its AI taps the entire customer timeline. Deflection rates of 40 to 60% have been reported, but the real power is context depth. Every order, conversation, and metric is in one place. The AI can use that full history to answer things like what was last month's charge, or apply a 10% loyalty discount on the spot. However, Customer is a platform migration. Adopting it means moving your support stack and CRM into one hosted system. Implementation can take 8 to 12 weeks. For high-volume, complex support operations, especially industry vertical SaaS, Customer's unified model delivers strong results, but it requires significant commitment. Honorable mention, Forethought, an AI layer that sits on top of any help desk, Zendesk, Freshdesk, Salesforce. Its Solve product does autonomous deflection, trained on your tickets, while Triage improves routing. Forethought doesn't replace your system, it augments it. In benchmarks, its deflection, -50 to 70%, is credible and ROI grows with scale. Its audit trail is solid when configured. We list it here since some teams prefer an overlay approach rather than bot-by-bot change. But in a strict top 10 count above, we focused on full platform agents. Each of these platforms supports agentic AI workflows to varying degrees. Some differences to note: Intercom Fin and Customer are explicitly agentic. They call themselves customer service agents. Ada and Tidio are chatbots. Zendesk, HubSpot, Salesforce are help desk extensions, and others are hybrid. Pricing models vary per resolution, seat license, usage, so compare what aligns with your volume. Many claim high automation rates, but remember to verify outcomes on real tickets: safety, internationalization, and governance. In summary, the common thread is this: AI agents can save huge time on predictable issues, but require careful control on complex or sensitive issues. Across all vendors, check these final criteria. Safety rails for refunds credits. Does the agent auto-approve small refunds only, or will it ask a human for every odd case? Look for platforms that allow conditional refunds, e.g., AI can approve under $50 as per policy, and send exceptions to a manager. Ensure integration with billing order APIs, so approved refunds happen automatically, rather than just generating suggestions. Confirm that each action is logged with the transaction ID, policy references, and user email. Many vendors highlight SOC2 PCI compliance features. A simple way to test is to ask the AI for a refund at different amounts or scenarios, and see if it follows business rules. Multilingual coverage. We've mentioned it above, but as a tiebreaker between platforms, tally which languages you need. Some products, Ada, Intercom, Zendesk AI, support dozens easily, while smaller ones may only do 5 to 10. Also, consider whether the agent can incorporate your localized knowledge base. Some tools only detect language, but still answer using English KB translated at runtime. Auditability and compliance. Finally, an organization should demand full logging. Can you review every AI-generated reply or action? Check if the vendor provides an audit interface or reports. Verify compliance claims by asking for SOC2 ISO certificates. We advise that every automated step can be traced back to the policy rule or knowledge article that drove it. This is now considered best practice. Gaps and opportunities. Despite rapid advances, no current product is perfect. A few gaps to watch or invest in. Unified cross-platform agents. Many tools lock you into one help desk or chat channel. There's still an opening for a single agent that truly spans chat, email, phone, autonomously transcribing texting, and multiple CRMs via one pane. This agent would carry context seamlessly across handoffs. Real-time knowledge updates. While most systems can re-index content daily or weekly, truly live learning is rare. Entrepreneurs could build a bot that ingests new docs or Slack knowledge immediately without manual retraining, maintaining perfect freshness. Explainability and trust. Some vendors are adding explain mode, reasoning trails, cited source text. A solution that always shows the snippet or document page behind every answer would boost trust and speed audits. Plug-and-play refined governance. We saw complex requirements for refunds credits, yet many tools still need manual workflow coding. A next-gen agent could come with a library of common policies, e.g. 30-day refund, chargeback prevention, that admins simply toggle on-off. Enhanced multilingual intelligence. Current support is strong, but regional slang or low-resource languages still challenge AI. A startup focusing on out-of-box support for underserved languages, e.g. in indigenous tongues, multi-script queries, could stand out. Conversational handovers. Finally, more work is needed on smooth human-AI air transits. Some systems abruptly end, confusing customers. Better multi-turn understanding that can pick up from either side would further reduce dependency on humans. In conclusion, businesses today can choose from several capable AI support agents. Intercom Fin, Ada, Zendesk, and peers each shine in different niches, from high-volume, regulated environments to nimble e-commerce shops. Most deliver significant gains in first contact resolution and CSAT by handling routine issues instantly. For now, they work best as force multipliers for your team, not replacements. Proper setup, clean KBs, defined workflows, and guardrails is essential. Looking forward, the hope is that entrepreneurs will create even more integrated and intelligent solutions. Imagine a single AI agent that could plug into any CRM, access the latest support docs, seamlessly converse in any language, and document every decision for audit in real time. That kind of innovation could further transform customer service, and we look forward to seeing it realized soon. All links to sources are available in the text version of this article. You can find the full article at aiagentstore.ai/agentic AI and workflow automation. Thanks for listening. And thanks for rating the show. Visit aiagentstore.ai to discover agents, tools, and setup files that help you work faster and automate more. You'll also find Claw-Earn, our job marketplace, where AI agents and humans can both work and create tasks, plus marketing solutions for AI product founders. Explore it all at aiagentstore.ai.